Hello everyone! Welcome to a new tutorial of Hero Design. In this video, I am going to teach you how to design a user interface using artificial intelligence. Very well, one of the sites that gives us the possibility to design user interfaces for web pages and applications using artificial intelligence is usegalileo.ai. And if you visit this address, you can see examples of projects created by users using artificial intelligence. Now, we want to create a user interface for the mobile application using the prompt that we write. Of course, you can do this for web pages as well. Well, to use the facilities of the site, you must register first. If you have already registered, just click on Login. Otherwise, you can register on this site by clicking on Sign Up. As you can see, a box will open and you can log in through your Gmail account or enter your email and password to register on this site. Alright, I will click on the Continue with Google button to sign in with my Gmail account. Well, here you can choose your Gmail account. In this section, we click on Continue. As you can see, it asks for the information, and here you can enter your personal info. For example, for last name, I will enter design. Here we have display username. Here you can choose a name for your company. Here you can specify your role as the person that is using the facilities of the site. For example, you can choose the product UX UI design or other items that you can select. Well, I will click on the first option. We click on Continue to enter the next step. Here it shows the plans for us. We have nothing to do with this part and we click on Skip Now option. Okay, now we have logged into the site and it is enough to write our prompt in this section. I have already written a prompt here. You can also write your own prompt according to your needs. I will copy this prompt and I will paste it here. I click on Generate and wait for my design to be created. Okay, as you can see, an attractive user interface is created for us in two different styles according to the prompt that I wrote. The interesting point here is that you can copy the design from this part by clicking on the HTML code and use it in your project. Or you can copy and paste this design into the Figma environment by clicking on the Figma button and have access to all the components of this design. Well, here I clicked on Figma. As you can see, a message appeared here. And if I enter the Figma environment, I can import the created design into the Figma environment by right-clicking and selecting the Paste Here option. As it can be seen here, we have access to all the layers of this plan, and you can view and select these layers from the Layers section. For example, here I can choose the phrase pizza, and there is a text layer which I can edit. I can easily edit each of the components of this design. One of the features of this artificial intelligence is that in addition to creating our user interface in less than 30 seconds, you can easily edit and use both the HTML codes and the file created for Figma. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.